Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, and this is the sheep and sheepdog section at the barn. You see a very big sheep in the center, munching on something in the grass, and another over here, perhaps a sheepdog. Further in the back, one lounging on the ground. This one in the front, moving around. You can see the white or brownish body and the black head. See sheepdog show and the barn with many different animals in this area. Some chickens, pigeons in the back as well. Roosters roaming around. Get closer to what appears to be the sheepdog on this side. See pretty close the white body, the black head, a bit of brown on its neck, and the other one lounging on the ground. This one walking toward the other direction and more inside of the barn. Recording on March 2nd, 2026. It's good weather, about 75 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Good time to visit Australia. Here once again at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. Get closer to sheep on this side. This guy looking at the camera. Get a closer view, zooming in. Another one in the back. Walking around to the barn, a bit of a darker area, but some lighting at the top. Got one laying down here, bigger one on this side, and another one in the back. Sheep in this section for sure. One on the ground on this side. See the eyes, the mouth, and the rest of the body. And this one just lounging around. Get closer to the sheep in the center. This one munching at the ground. And chickens in this area as well. Towards the center, we get closer. See from this side. And some of the sheep we passed by inside of the barn in the darker area. There's one, it's coming closer, and a rooster here drinking from the big bin of water. Chickens, rooster in the center, and one sheep at the far back. This one's coming in. You can see the white or pinkish ears and what appear to be the hoofs or the feet as it gets closer to us. Lots to see at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary in Australia. Easy to get here by bus from the Hyatt Regency in Brisbane, where I'm staying. Good experience all around. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary in Australia. Stay tuned for more content and look back on my archive for more animal videos and other travels.